picking up the car rental, we drove down the very narrow streets of Lisbon to find our Airbnb rental. The streets are like a maze, so we actually parked the car and contacted our Airbnb host, and he was kind enough to meet us in a central location and walk with us to the apartment. All uphill. Holy. Lisbon is famous for its 7 hills, and I can see why. The streets are either going up or down. There are no level streets here at all, kind of like San Francisco. So this is our first night in Lisbon, and we're just going to walk around the city center. It's about 7:30 in the night, and it's really busy, eh?
Really busy. It looks like everybody's just starting to come out.
We're just going to kind of familiarize ourselves with the area, and hope we can take some nice shots to show you.
But where you go now is Chiado. You can visit 2 points of view: Santa Catarina and São Pedro Alcântara. Okay, if you visit this 5 points of view of Lisbon, you have a nice view of everything.
We found a restaurant just close to our Airbnb, and it looks really good. So I ordered the salmon, this big piece of salmon we have. Hold on, baby. Put some lime on that. Got some potatoes and salad. This is good. Hot. Very good. There you go. So tell Daddy what you have.
I have shrimp with a orange.
These are fries.
Fries.
He didn't love shrimp, so
You can even dip it in.
you can if you'd like. Careful, it might be
It's
hot.
hot. It's hot. I have the octopus.
With soup.
So, how's the octopus?
The soup getting big.
Yeah? Good. So we're on the pier, what is called Casa Sodre, and look at all these fish in this murky water.
I see long fishes, fat fishes, and with their not even see fishes that have sharks.
Very difficult task of choosing bread.
I want like real fresh baked bread for real. So
Okay.
I'm indecisive right now.
Okay, good luck with that.
Hello, this is Keaton, and we're at the shop, and this is a big salad.
A big salad.
Yeah, and there's other salads like this. And all the things are euros.
Yes, everything's in euro, right?
Yeah.
Instead of, what do we use?
Dollars, euros, and bucks.
Okay. We found a pastry shop. These are the famous Portuguese tarts. This is called God's bread. It's a coconut bread. We got some pastries. Portugal is really famous for these pastries. They're called pastéis de something. I will put it up in the caption. But I'm really excited to taste this.
Could we get a closer look at it?
Sure. Patrick wants to get a closer look. So the pastry recipe is hundreds of years old. The priests used to use a lot of egg whites to starch their clothes, and so they had a lot of egg yolks left over. And so this pastry came out of having too many egg yolks. So here I go.
Keenan, does it look delicious? Would you like a taste?
No.
That is good. Okay, so we also bought this pastry. I would call it a pastry, but it's called Bread of the Gods. And it has coconut in it. So, let me try. Oh, wow. If you like coconut, you will love this.
Hey everybody, this is Keenan. and we're in Portugal. We're going to do a walking tour today.
Hi guys, so we were supposed to go on a walking tour today, Belém tour, that started at 11 o'clock. We left the apartment at 10, but we just got totally lost. So we asked the two taxi drivers if they knew where this park was. Jardim Alfonso Albuquerque Park. They had no idea where it was, so we totally missed the tour. We're gonna have to do the tour ourselves. I think we know where we're going now. We're gonna take the train to Palácio de Belém. Then we're just gonna walk around that part of the town. So wish us luck. We decided to walk down to the meeting point for the walking tour just in case they were still there, and surprisingly they were. We were lucky enough to join the tour.
Monks, priests, nuns, and all the nuns in the country had to find new ways of earning a living. And they had one thing in abundance, which was egg yolks, because they would use the egg whites to stain their clothes. So by combining the egg yolks left and the sugar that came from Brazil, the monks in the country and the nuns in the country started a big pastry tradition that still lives up today.
You have to sing these songs of freedom is all I ever had. Redemption song.
We just finished the Belém tour, which was pretty good. So we learned a bit of history about the area, which was very interesting. Now we're just at the train station. We're going to take the train back to our apartment, get something to eat, and then we're going to go on another walking tour in the afternoon.
What?
Yes, we're going to go on another walking tour.
Aww.
He's so excited, eh? Are you excited?
No. Yep, pick it up.
I'm going to have the best calves once we leave Lisbon. All uphill and downhill.
Say, hey now, baby. Oh, mama, don't play now, baby. Say, hey now, baby.
Public urinal, anyone? The only public urinal in Lisbon, right beside St. George's Castle.
Something straight now, baby. Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. At the house on you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not? You gotta tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. Been wishing for you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not? Been wishing for you.
I have a confession to make. I never wear running shoes in Europe ever since I read something from Rick Steve saying that, you know, don't look like your typical tourist, North American tourist, and wear running shoes. But if you come to Lisbon, you need to wear running shoes because every street is a hill. It's I mean, I knew that I read this before we came, but yeah, I should have followed the advice, and I hope you follow mine. So if you come to Lisbon, wear running shoes.
Has her own homemade cherry liqueur. Okay? Cherry liqueur is something that we sell quite a lot in Lisbon and to all.
So yeah, so come here, take the drink, leave there or there. It's an afternoon like this hour. After work.
Cherry liqueur.
Home to dinner. Okay.
How is it?
It's quite good.
Hey, no, baby. You gon' make me hit you with that lay down, baby. Oh, say, hey, no, baby. You know what I need, not the game now, baby.
Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. At the house on you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not? You gotta tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me.
Keenan, what are we gonna go do now?
We're going to the Tram 28.
In what city?
Lisbon.
In what country?
Portugal. That speaks Portuguese.
They speak Portuguese?
And Portuguese
Mhm.
is the same language as Spanish.
Well, it's close. It's not the same language.
No. Hola.
Hola, yes. Some words are the same. So we're on the tram. We're trying to get to Grassa, and there are no signs to tell us where to get off. And the tram driver is not the friendliest chap. So we're just kind of riding the tram.
That was $16 deep.
16 euros. Not $16, 16 euros, which is even more.
And
We finally made it to Grassa. So this is one of the highest hills in Lisbon, and it's in the Grassa district. Grassa! So we're gonna go check it out. The next day, we packed our bags and got ready for the drive to Sevilla. But of course, we had to get a few more pastries on the way. Before we left, we had to get some pastries and we're ready to go. So we decided to take a little detour before we head off to Sevilla. We're going to a town called Alcochete, and it has the outlet mall in this area. It's called Freeport Outlet Mall, and they have like Adidas and Nike and, you know, a lot of shops that we would have at home. But the guy from Airbnb said that it's a great place to get some bargains. Look at how long this bridge is. My gosh. What's my butt's doing? You're coloring? Awesome. You miss Kai and Kana? No, you don't miss your brother and sister? Okay, I know you do. That is so cute, parking for pregnant ladies.
Now we just went on a quick shopping excursion and we picked up a few stuff, very good prices, but we're running out of time. We're already about half an hour behind. So now we're heading to Sevilla. So see ya, got to go. Let's go, Kenan. Say see you.